Mae'r Pencampwriaeth yn adran y ceffylau ar Merlon Lliw yn mynd i Mrs Tracy Gowen. Holyland Gold Quest yn mynd â hi ar beirniad Johnny Simpson yn amlwg wedi plesio Eirig wedi symud yn arbennig o dda heddiw, a dyna falle sydd wedi mynd â hi.
Ie, Ebol yn symud yn dda iawn, a chi'n gweld dyfodol yn y showring i'r Ebol hwnna, mae rhaid dweud. Dim gormod wedi troi lan yma Pencampwr neis iawn.
Heiddiannol iawn, wel dyna ni llongyfarchiadau mawr i Mrs Tracy Gowen gyda Holyland Gold Quest.
And the £25 voucher can be given by Grace of Chester. Reserve also goes to the yearling. It's the second pressed yearling. Hillary Waterhouse's Willows Way, White Frank. From Kendal to the North of England.
Well, second at the Royal Welsh, but champion at the Royal Welsh Winter Fair.
I'm over the moon, honestly, yeah. He's come a long way. He was an absolute nightmare at the beginning of this year. He was not having 4 legs on the floor, so him to come here, be quiet, I'm over the moon.
And sometimes it isn't easy in this tent, is it? Sometimes there's a lot of atmosphere, a lot of buzz.
Yeah, and he finds it really calm in here, so I'm really happy. So, yeah, over the moon with him.
Well, he finishes his season on a high.
Definitely. He's still got one more class tomorrow, which is a sports horse. So hopefully he can do well again.
And back for the Supreme Championship tomorrow as well.
Yeah, back for the Supreme, so yeah.
Well, we'll be holding out if you're hoping you do well tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Da iawn.
So many thanks now to our judge, Mr. Johnny Simpson from Aston Ribble in Preston. We trust that you've enjoyed the occasion. Thank you for judging with us this year. And of course, thanks also to Alice Lebsworth, representing our sponsors, the exhibitors, stewards, in fact, all concerned with the success of this section this morning. The next section to be judged will be the Welsh Park Parade, Pencampwriaeth. This starts on page 180 of the catalogue.
Llongyfarchiadau mawr i Mrs Tracy Gowen. Pencampwr yn adran i'r ceffylau a Merlon Lliw. Holyland Gold Quest yn symud allan o flaen y dorf yma yn y ffair eang.
Champion, Willows Way, White Frank, Reserve Champion.